Hello everyone! We are starting our reading program and we are using a star chart where, what do you have to do for your star? What are you going to choose for your star chart?
First I gotta get this.
Let's show them what...
I gotta get this, and I picked octonauts.
So we have different things that she can choose from.
And I put it on my, can you see, and we put it on here.
You're working for a 15-minute episode of Octonauts. And you're going to earn 3 stars. Now...
Yeah, one is for...
Sit down.
One is for...
One is for sounds. First star is around sounds.
And then it's for words.
Second.
And then it's for books.
3 stars. Okay, so let's do our first star. Can you put your star chart away? And the first thing that we are working towards is... First star is sounds. So let's see if we can do our sounds. Sit on bottom. Show me you're ready. Okay, what's the sound?
T.
Let's.
B.
Okay.
G. J. Ha.
Just.
Oh,
what's the? Oh, look at it.
Pa.
2 sounds. What's the first sound?
Ah.
I, when it says when.
Yeah.
Okay, but I like in my, and yeah like in yes. So we got 2 sounds there that we're practicing. Okay, what about this one?
Qua.
Now we've got some new...
Whistle.
Whistle.
Thumb.
Nice, sticking your tongue out.
Ship.
Shh.
Chin.
Okay. Now,
Ah.
And what's this one? But it also has a second sound we've been working on. What's the second sound that E says when it wants to say its name? Look at what we have over here. When it says, it doesn't have a hug, so it says its name. And what's its name? E, like in he, and in we, and in me. Okay, good 2 sounds. Okay, now if I have this, what's this word right here? This word. And if I add in, oops, watch your fingers. No, I want your eyes up. And what about if I do this one?
Fat.
Nope, turn around so that you can see what's that? Gat. What happens if I have that one?
Lat.
Oh, I need you to sit.
Lat. Hat.
Now, if I change that A to an I. Hit. I hit the ball.
I hit your head.
Oh, that's not nice.
Knit. Well, you hit me once, so I'm hitting you.
Stop.
Lit.
What's that sound?
Lit.
What's that sound?
Kit.
Like Peso's medical kit.
Yeah, like Peso.
Okay, turn your body.
Mitt.
Now, if I put that A back on there, what word does it change?
At.
So what is that?
I mean, mitt. I mean, mat.
Stop. I want your eyes here.
Mat. Cat. That.
What sound does Z make?
I mean that. Fat.
If I take that A and I change it to an I, what is it?
Fit.
Perfect. And what happens if I put a P on it?
Pit.
And a S on it?
Sit.
What happens if I put that A back on top?
At. Fat.
What's that first sound?
Sat.
I sat on my bottom.
I
Awesome.
Sat on your lap.
Awesome reading words. Let me get you your star. Sit down so you can get your star. So, sounds and CVC words, done. Good job. Get your star chart out. And we'll pause this and do the next one.